Hi guys, I'm back again today with another video and Merry Christmas to you guys. Today is December 25th. Have a great amazing holiday season. Yes, if you're here then we're going to be checking out Germany is freezing. Munich Airport is covered with snowstorm in Munich. München. Okay. This was 3 weeks ago. So I can't speak. This was 3 weeks ago. So I want to see how crazy it is there. Well, before we do start, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button, and let's get it. December 2. Wow. Wow.
All flights were grounded at Munich's airport Saturday after.
I was gonna ask, like, can we fly in this condition?
Southern Germany and parts of Austria, Switzerland, and the Czech Republic, affecting travel across the region. After initially announcing a halt in air traffic until noon on Saturday, the airport later announced flights would be canceled until 6 a.m. Sunday. Other airports in the region, including in the Swiss financial capital, Zurich, also announced weather-related delays and cancellations. Trains to and from Munich Central Station were also halted, Germany's national railway said, advising passengers to delay or reroute their journeys. The news agency DPA reported that some passengers in Munich and the nearby city of Ulm spent Friday night on trains due to the halt.
Are shops still open in this situation? Like, how do you go eat or buy food, or hope you have food at home?
In Munich, no buses or trams were operating as of Saturday afternoon, the local transit authority said. Some subway and regional train lines were also affected by the weather. Downed trees left many thousands of people without power.
Or just walk home. Walk
the
to
utility company Bayernwerk
supermarket.
Officials for Germany's Bundesliga also announced that a soccer match between Bayern Munich and Union Berlin, originally scheduled for Saturday afternoon in Munich, was cancelled. Police in Lower Bavaria, the region northwest of Munich, said they responded to 350 incidents related to snow and ice between Friday night and early Saturday, some of which led to minor to moderate injuries.
That was creepy.
In Austria and Switzerland, the new snowfall led officials to raise the alarm about the danger of avalanches. The provinces of Tyrol and Vorarlberg in western Austria raised their avalanche warnings to the second highest level after the region received up to 50 centimeters, 20 inches of snow overnight.
20 50 meters and 20 inches. Can't even see anything because it's just like, wow, that's deep. It's just miserable.
The Austrian railway company OBB said Saturday afternoon that various stretches of its routes across the country were closed due to the storm. In the Czech Republic, the major highway and some other roads were blocked for hours. Trains and public transportation faced delays and cancellations, and over 15,000 households were without power. The key D1 highway that links the capital, Prague, with the second largest city of Brno, was in a standstill for hours after an accident that caused a 20-kilometer, 12.4-mile long line of trucks. Traffic jams also hit other parts of the highway, as well the D5 that links Prague with Germany.
Zell, die man auch nicht alle Tage hat. Und das ist jetzt der Blick von unserem Balkon. Da haben wir locker 50, 60 Zentimeter könnten es fast sein, müssen wir mit dem Zollstock mal rein. Schneehöhe hier drauf. Hier drüben ist meine Vogelfutterstation.
Okay, there's no captions.
Meisen gucken schon. Jetzt sind wir auf die andere Seite.
A number of high-speed and regional trains had to stop in the southern part of the country, as cross-border trains from neighboring Austria and Germany didn't operate, and some roads were expected to remain closed for the day.
Okay. A snowstorm. It's very similar to, obviously, rain storm in a way, because powers get cut, or no, there's no powers, right? Instead of flood, you get snow that is like super deep, and I don't know how you say it, like when you're walking, it's like super deep, right? It's like the people who were walking a while back, they were kicking the snow so that they could walk. And another similarity, flights are cancelled. I guess obviously school is gonna be cancelled too, and some work, if not all. I mean, some work, yeah. So it's very similar to a rainstorm, just with snow. I was gonna ask, right? Like, how I mean, I guess it's gonna be the same over here if there's no electricity, and it's like this. There's no transportation. I guess, yeah, most people just walk to do grocery, or if they can drive, they'll drive there. They have cars. I don't think you can bike anywhere, or maybe I'm wrong. Let me know. Is there or snowmobiles? Yeah. How do you like? I don't think I can survive, but maybe I would, especially if I'm like expecting, or maybe I'll just like buy a bunch of food and just like not leave the house, then I'll be fine. But let me know if there's some stuff that you guys do in these situations, because I saw some vloggers started like leaving Europe already. They started like during winter, they just leave and go to like um Asia, tropical, like Southeast Asia or South Africa or something like that, during this months, because they're like, no, we're not gonna do snow. But anyways, beautiful peeps, thank you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.